Hello, hello, hello. How are you? This is Els Company from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today, um, today I made a stop. I went to the Tuesday morning. Do you know why? Because enough of us complained to their corporate office that they have brought back the craft aisle. Okay? It's just getting started, but they're going to be sending more and more stuff back out again. Okay? So, I did a whole thing. I'm going to show you that. But let me show you what, let me show you what we had in the store, and then I'll show you what I got. Okay? I'll be right back.
Well, hello. Guess what? We're back. Yeah, you guys know these shelves, right? This is Tuesday morning. Now, they're getting stuff back in again. It's not a lot, but it's, it's stuff. So, let's just take a quick look, see what's here. We got a lot of cutting boards. These are good. Stamp presses, foil stuff. Look at the size of this block. I love it, right? All right, we have some watercolor brushes. Like that. There's some loom kits up here for beading. We have punches, all kinds of border punches. We have scissors. We have foil quill pens. Regular tool sets. Ooh, look at that. We are Memory Keeper scissor set for $4.99. That's a good deal. All right. We're going to take a look at some other things, so I'll be right back. All right, let's take a quick look. Look at all of this. This is the end, okay? That they don't have an end cap, but we do have the side caps. Look at it. Look, Brave and Bold from Annie Tangerine. Everybody's been looking for this one. Here it is. It's $14.99. If you want the number on this one, it's 2663938. And we have some of these really bright neon colored pencils, colored pencils. Now they're not watercolor, but they're just colored pencils, okay? And then we have this whole clearance section. Look. All right, we got foil quill. We've got some cutters, lots of fabric. There's a whole stack of stackable shape dies. Lots of vinyl. We got a nice hot glue gun. Ooh, there's a cutting board. We have some milk paint, sketch markers, lots of alcohol inks. We have some tool kits. That's always helpful, right? Oh, there's even a Gramercy cart down there. It's a little overpriced, though. Okay, so we have this little organizing cart, originally $49.99. They have it marked down to $35. And it's got a couple of pockets on the side, big pocket here in the front, nice double handles. Look, it's rollable. And it's got a lot of pockets on the inside, too. Let's take a look, shall we? Of course we shall, because we're nosy. Oh, yeah. It's got, little clear pockets that you can put stuff in and plenty of room to put stuff in there. So, not bad. $35. It's a lot cheaper than you would pay for, a We Are Memory Keeper. Alrighty. So let's start with paper, okay? So we have lots of hot buy pads, okay? Those don't belong here. They belong up there. Hold on. Let me put stuff away. I got to put stuff away, right? Okay, there we go. Winter Playground from Bo Bunny. It's really pretty, and I like the double side on this one. Now that's a different color for Christmas. That's Kaiser Craft. Yeah, it's like an orangey color. All right, we got K & Company. Not their standard. This is called Antique Garden. And to be honest, I've already looked through these once, and I didn't even stop at this. And we all know I love K & Company. But I didn't stop at this. Oh, and I'm glad I didn't. It's cardstock. Lots of hot buys. Okay? Lots more vinyl. We got some holiday stuff. We have some little pads. There's a Bo Bunny Harmony collection for $2.99. That's one of my favorite pads. And then these Lullaby pads from Pebbles. $2.99 on the little pads. $3.99 on the bigger ones. And so many dies. And so much ephemera. Look, I know. And washi tape. There's stuff. They got stuff, guys. That's the point. They are getting stuff back in, okay? So just be patient. And, you know, coming soon to a Tuesday morning near you. Just some really fantastic stuff. And now I'm going to turn you guys off and I'm going to shop. Because I'm not done yet. So this, we took a look at this. It's $4.99, right? For 3 scissors from We Are Memory Keeper. And then they have these alcohol inks that are all on sale.
No, this one's not.
This one's not. The purple one is not. But the other two, these are clearanced. $4.50 for 3 inks.
And they have some pastel ones.
And there are some pastels, as Amy says. And then I saw these and I grabbed this. Look. Sketch markers. $4, right? Okay. And then I got some dies. This is a layered die. Love it. They have this one. This one's only $6.99. It's like a little rainbow. I probably won't get it, but, you know, I have to hold on to it. And then I found this for the Amy. Don't make me flip my witch switch. You know she had to have that, right? I found Fun Stampers Journey Easy Glide Permanent Adhesive Runner. We're going to see. It says it's refillable. We're going to see. And then I found this for $5.99. This is a Gemini. And beautiful cutting die, 6.5 by 3 inches. Number on this one, 2684203. We're going to see. We're going to take it home and cut it, you know? So
I know, fun, right? Okay, so what I did end up eventually getting was I did get that Halloween Magic Echo Park ephemera for $2.99. Number on this is 2669381. And I just had to have it because Amy has to have this that says, you know, don't make me flip my witch switch. She needed that. So, you know, I had to get that. And then, I'll be honest, I went to two Tuesday mornings. I got a set of skizzers. I'm not keeping these. These are going to be for somebody else. But this is from We Are Memory Keepers. And there's a large pair of scissors in here, detail scissors, and some really nice long ones. And the number on this is 2658380. And it's $4.99. So I grabbed that. I did decide to get this cut blade. It's just pretty, you know? And I had to have it. So I got the cut blade. I can't wait to see what it looks like. We're going to open it up and find out. Ooh. Open, 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 open. It does not want to open. You do not have a choice. I will cut you open. Yeah, this is what pokey tools are for. See? Okay. So got that open. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Look how big it is. Oh, gorgeous. Okay. What else did we get? All right, so we ended up getting the American Crafters marker sets. I got the blue, the green, the pink, and the brown. These are alcohol markers, and they're perfect blends because they're coordinated colors. So, and they're regularly $4.99, but they have them clearanced, and I'm going to say it's clearanced at every one because they were clearanced at both of mine. The numbers on these, 2577491, 2577488, 2577498, and 2577495. And they have a broad tip on one side, and they have a regular thin tip on the other. So, you know, great for playing. I got this roll of tape, 49 feet. It says it's a permanent adhesive, and the number on this one is 2675360. And, you know, it says it's refillable. We're going to try it. We're going to give it a shot. Then we went to the second one. And I was at the second one, and I got this. This is Remnants, the Remnants one. Humidor. 2661750. For $4.99. Got that. And then I found this, and I've never seen tape from her before, so I've never seen anything but purses from this woman and clothing. This is from Vera Wang. Decorative, Vera Bradley, sorry. Decorative tape, floating garden, set of 3 rolls. I don't know how to get into it. $3.99. Number on this one, 2658521. When in doubt, just tear. Right? These are gorgeous, guys. Oh. Look at how pretty they are. Right? Just beautiful. And they're nice, thick, full rolls. That's a good thing. Okay. So that's it. Tuesday morning is back. It's going to be coming in slowly over time, but they are going to be filling it back up. So, you know, we'll check it out in a couple of weeks and see what they have. In the meantime, we'll be, you know, we'll be happy with what we have. All right? Well, that's it. That's all I have for you today. Listen, if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go and hit that button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell. Share me with all your friends, and then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. I go live on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays. And on Sundays, we play trivia. I give out prizes. So come on over and hang out. They're not huge, but they're a prize, you know. I post videos twice a week, typically on Mondays and Wednesdays, but it could be any day of the week, and it could be more than twice a week. So, if you want information on when I have videos coming out, what those are, what the tutorials are, those types of things, go ahead and check out the community tab here on my YouTube channel, or scoot on over to my Facebook group. There's a link in the description box below, and that is going to set you up so that even if you don't get a YouTube notification, you will find out from me through the Facebook group that I'm going live, because I post it there as well. And there's a featured list over there that gives you all of the same things as far as what's coming up, what's going on, the who, what, when, why, and where of my life. But that's it. Until I see you again, stay well. Bye-bye.